What up, my beautiful people? Thank you for joining me back again for another video on this laundry. What the hell did I just say? For this laundry makeover. So, the last video I did the roof. I don't think you can see that right now, but it's finished. If you want to see how I did it, click the link down below. Alright? So, right now, I'm gonna clean up this filthy place. It's filled with concrete and broken concrete. So, I'm gonna clean up the place, then I'm gonna get to painting. Hope you enjoy this one. It should be a quick one, so let's get painting. Yeah, man, my people. You see me, I get down and dirty in the place. I do some cleaning. This is one of the most important parts of doing any paint process. Cleaning and prepping the area properly. You might think sometimes, oh, in your area you don't have as much dirt or whatever. Listen, you have to take the time, wipe down the walls, wipe down the area, clean it down, scrape it down, brush it down, whatever you have to do. Put in that prep work, and at the end of the day, you will have better results in your paint job. Trust me, after I did this preparation, the paint job was smooth. I didn't have any debris in the brushes or in the roller, none of that. It was smooth sailing, I tell you. And then, as you can see now, I'm gonna slap on this Benjamin Moore. This is my favorite paint. I love it so much. Yeah, man. So, cue that painting montage. beautiful people, this is what the finished product looks like. The finished paint job. All nice and clean. This gray paint is not floor paint per se. This is not really a high traffic area, so I didn't go through the worry of getting floor paint because I'm gonna tile in here eventually, sooner rather than later, hopefully. So I just use the gray paint on the floor for now. It's a temporary fix, but this will remain. I use the same gray paint on the counter just to give it an accent against the white wall and the white ceiling. So guys, you can see the brush texture that was left from my brush finish. It pops a bit more against the paint, so that's cool, but you can also see where I did my little repairs. It wasn't perfect, yeah, I know, but it's a DIY, and what someone would charge me to do that compared to what I did, eh, I'll work with what I did. So that's what it is, guys. So I want to thank you again for joining me for another video. It means so much to me that you have been tuning in. And for all those new people, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Please subscribe for more awesome content from Royal Escapes. This is the second part of my laundry makeover. I think this one's gonna be extreme. When you see the before and the afters again at the end, awesome. So thank you again, and like, share, subscribe. You know the words. Just do it. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for another video from Royal Escapes as I turn my home into a palace. Bye.